Hello YouTube, how you all doing? Today we're going to be doing English video in Wolof, which I promised one of my followers that I was going to do this week. So I thought I'm just going to do it now, quick one, with my nice and beautiful African dress. So today we're going to be talking about some Wolof languages and English. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ami Jobe. And we're going to be talking about, where we're going to start from. We're going to have different Wolof language, Wolof words. We're going to have different Wolof words that are going to be written in Wolof and in English. So hopefully this should help you to be able to say some Wolof words. So we're gonna start saying Nanga Def. Nanga Def is how are you? Ami Jobe la Tudu is my name is Ami Jobe. What is your name is Nakanga Tudu. Nakanga Tudu. Ami Jobe la Tudu. That's my name is Ami Jobe. For the K is where do you live? Mangi the K, Scotland. I live in Scotland. So we're gonna say some words that is more than just greeting words. Words that normally your mom will be saying in the living room on a telephone call or saying it with somebody knowing that you don't know what she's saying. All you guys moms are gonna hate me for that. But I'm gonna teach you basic conversation, some word that someone can use in a basic in a conversation. In a basic conversation that you might be able to hear what they say. So, we're going to start from, Dulol. Dulol is not that. Lolula. Lolula is, that's what is it. That's what is it. If someone did something and someone is saying, Lolula. Lolula is, that's what is it. Like, that's it. It's like that's it and that's what is it. Lolula is like someone did something. For example, if someone said Ami, Ndahli, no, is it for when someone did something? Yeah, for when you say Ami, is this what you left here for me? Okay, and then you said, wow, Lolula. Lolula is yes, that is it. That's what is it. Yeah, it's that's the right word I was talking about. Oh God. So Lolula is yes, that's what is it. Wow, Lolula is yes, that's what is it. Okay? For normally when someone asks you about something. And the person will say, Man kai legi. Man kai legi mean me now. Normally when someone asks you about something. And the person will say, Man kai legi. Man kai legi mean me now. Man kai legi mean me now. You normally say it when something is sad or something. You say man kai legi. How man numai def. That mean me now. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Or you're like man kai legi. Damo we cheku. Or you're like man kai legi. Ham na yep. That mean man kai legi means me now. You can then use whatever word you wanna say. Kai mean, what's Kai? Man Kai. I don't know what Kai is. It's not coming in my mind now. But Man Kai Legi mean me now. Okay? Man Kai Legi. Legi mean now. Man mean me. Still don't know what Kai is. Anyway, but when someone say Man Kai Legi, weche kuna, that mean change. I've changed. Weche kuna. Weche kuna, that mean see he or she change. Duwe cheko, that means they're not going to change. He or she is not going to change. Duwe cheko. Mungi def, lum don def batay, that means they're doing what they were doing until now. They've not changed. They're still doing it, whatever that is. Mungi def, lum don def batay. Batay mean until now. Bate actually mean until today, but we normally, it's crazy when you try to translate it in English as an until today. So you might just want to say until now. So, bate, mu, ngi, def, lum, don, def, ba tey. Or you say mung koy def ba tey. That's the quick word, mung koy def. If someone asks you, for example, you said, is Ami doing video still now? You say, yeah, mung koy def ba tey. Wow, mung koy def ba tey. That means yes, he's still doing it. Ndax Ami mu ngee def video ba tey. Ndax Ami mu ngee def video yi ba tey. Video yi means her videos. Okay? Video yi means her videos. Yi mean her. Yi. Yi is hers or his. You know, like when you want to say mbubambi. Mbuba is clothes. Mbubambi. Mbubayi. Mbubayi mean the clothes, like more than clothes, more than one. Yeah, yi is for more than one, okay? If you want to say, yeah, bi is for one. Yi is for more than one. If it's a lot of clothes, you say mbubayi. You say yeri. Yeri is clothing. My English are not good, that's the problem. Clothing is yeri, okay? Or the clothes or whatever, you know, like there's a different spelling than one cloth and the rest, the more than one cloth. I'll try to find out a different and write it down. So if it's just one, you say yiribi or mbubabi. Mbubabi means when something is already like sewn, like it's a dress or a top. You say mbubabi. Sambubabi mean your top or your trouser or something. It's normally for mbuba is top. What am I talking about? It's normally for one. Satu baby is trouser. Satu baby means your trouser. Suma tu baby mean my trouser. Suma mbubabi mean my mbuba. Suma yiri yi, that's mean my clothes, like more than one clothes. Sa yiri yi, that's mean your clothes, more than one clothes. Okay? Jelko mean take it. Ekatiko si suuf mean left it from the floor, which I normally say to my children, especially my son. Ekatiko si suuf mean left it from the floor. Ekati mean left. Okay? Left something mean ekati. You can also use pick it mean jelko. Jelko mean pick it. Jelko. Take it or pick it is jelko. Okay? Bayiko fofu mean leave it there. Buko for buy mean do not leave it there. Okay? So you can also say when someone is on the phone, you know, what else can they say? Fi mungi ni rek. You can say like when someone asks you how are you, you say I'm fine. How is Scotland, for example? I say Scotland is just here. That means fi mungi ni rek. Scotland mungi ni rek or fi mungi ni rek. Mang fi rek. Loy def, loy toga. Loy def mean what are you doing? Loy toga mean what are you cooking? Silo neka is also mean loy def. It also mean how are you doing? And you can also say, if you hear anybody say Khalis mean money. Okay? So when you hear Gambia or Senegal person talking Wolof and they say Khalis mean money. Suma Khalis mean my money. Jox naa ko suma Khalis mean I give them my money. Joxut ma suma Khalis bi mean they've not giving me my money. Jël na suma Khalis mean they've take my money. So Khalis mean money. When you hear someone talking about Khalis, they mean they're talking about money. So Khalis rek la buga. That mean they only after money. Waxut dëgga mean they're not telling the truth. Daf ma tapale. That mean they scam me. They say something that is not true to get my something. It could be money or something. They scan me. Scan me. Not scamming. They've scammed me. Scammed, you know. It's not scammed, it's scam. Can't speak English. Not scammed. Scam. What the hell is scammed? Scam, you know, like scammers, you know. When someone scam your money, you can say, daf ma tapale. Dafa tapale suma halis bi. Halis bu bari mean lot of money. Bu bari means lot of money. Okay? So, bari would mean it's not a lot. Okay? Momo for yubu mean they, he or she, they, but it's not only for one person. He or she took me there. Momo for yubu. Or moma bole ak mom. That means he or she introduced me to he or she. Momo bole ak nyom. mean he or she introduced me to them. Okay, ñoom ñooma fa yóbbu mean them, they are the one that took me there. If some people take you to some people or whatever. Okay, moom mooma fa yóbbu mean he or she is the one that take me there. Okay, moom mooma booleeg moom mean he or she is the one that introduced me to he or she. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to write all that, but I'll try. I don't want to make it too long because I know that it's going to be difficult for some of you to have to learn all of that in one video, and Wolof do speak really fast, so it's complicated and difficult for someone that is learning to just be picking all these words per. But I'm going to try to talk slower next time. I'm really bad at talking slow, but I'll try. And you guys can let me know what you want me to work on in these videos. If you want me to talk slower or you want me to explain something else or you can also do something. You can put your comments and tell me what you want me to say, what you want me to translate in Wolof for you. You can comment saying that and I will respond. Or you can send me an email at amijob@gmail.com. Send me an email at my iCloud account. Yeah, amij18@icloud.com. Ami, the letter J, 18@icloud.com. I'll try to write it down. Send me an email, dear, if you don't want to comment here, and tell me what do you want me to translate for you in Wolof or Mandinka, because I'm going to be doing this little Mandinka / Wolof lesson videos here and there. This particular one is for people that are learning Wolof and they speak English. It's not for Wolof people that are learning English, although they can still learn some little bit, because I'm going to say some of the words. I'm going to write some of the words in English that I've been saying. So I'm going to try to write everything in English and in Wolof anyway. So they will still then know how to say this particular word in English, if you know what I mean. But it's mainly for people that speak English and they want to learn Wolof. That's why I'm speaking English in this video. I don't even know if you guys know what I'm saying. I hope you do. But I'm going to be doing videos next time that is going to be for people that want to learn English. For people that want to learn English and they are Wolof, like my Senegalese followers, and I will be speaking Wolof, but still I will be writing everything in English and Wolof, so you can still learn from it. Hopefully you guys understand what I'm saying. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys again when I see you. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.